So as you can see, I've kind of had to go a little bit backwards here, but that's because I made a little newbie mistake and I actually I primed everything a little too early. You're supposed to apply body filler onto bare metal and not over edge primer. You're only supposed to apply over epoxy primer, which I didn't know until about 20 minutes ago. So I kind of grinded everything down to bare metal, and now I'm going to Bondo over that. So on to the very next issue of the trials and tribulations of painting. So this is Royal Red, LE3C. This is Mars Red. I don't know what the color code for this is, but it's Mars Red. So when I went to go get this paint mixed, they said that they can't mix Royal Red because it has lead in it. So they said, hey, we have this color that we can mix up for you. That is a very similar color. And when it was mixed out for me, I didn't have this panel on me or anything that was close to this, and it looked very close. So I said, all right, you know, let's get that. However, my mistake, it's not close enough. This is very orange, whereas this is more red. From a distance, they're pretty close, but when you put the panels next to each other, they're just not close enough, and I'm not really a huge fan of this Mars Red color, so back to the drawing board, I guess. So a little update on what I decided to do. Right here I have Eastwood's Underhood Black Low Gloss finish. I'm sort of just kind of deciding to go back to the way that it was when I first bought the car. As I said, I don't really like the Mars Red very much, not enough where I would consider painting the whole car this color anyway. I did order some of the royal red to respray the core support and the front end so that all that color matches. But under the hood, the satin black will complement what I have done to the engine so far well. And honestly, after looking at this, I don't know if having the bay red will actually look as good as this would.